Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series, and I have literally so many packages. I have them like stacked up on each side of the desk because last week we actually did a Sephora haul, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys all the packages that have came in the past 2 weeks, and I'm very excited to share. I think there's a ton of new releases in these boxes. So anyways, really quick before we get started, if you are new, hello, welcome. I would love for you to stick around and hit the subscribe button down below so you're notified for future videos, future hauls, and yeah, let's go ahead and dive into these packages because it's probably gonna be a long one. Now, I do want to say next Monday there will not be a Mail Haul Monday just because it's Memorial Day. Me and Snow are actually traveling this week when you see this video, and we will not be home until late Sunday. And we're having like a little get together at our house. So we'll probably spend Sunday just like unpacking and things like that. But don't worry, I'm sure we're gone for quite a while, so I'm sure the next haul after that will be pretty large. I am so excited about this. Okay, so the first package came from Huda Beauty, and this is literally so cute. Like, I'm gonna have to save this and put this on my wall of like PR products. Here it is, and it literally looks like a dumbbell. And it says Tantor Huda Beauty. Look how freaking cute. I don't know how to open this. I like don't want to mess it up. Okay, it just comes up like this. Oh, look how awesome. They always come out with like really cool products. Okay, let's see if I can focus this. They always come out with such cool products. Okay, so it says tan and tone, buildable application, water and sweat resistant, long lasting finish. And I saw a post that they had put, and it was like, if you can't tone it, tan it. I thought that was so cute. Okay, so they first sent over this little brush right here. I do love the Huda brushes. I feel like they're really good quality. So the top is supposed to be to sculpt and shade, and then the bottom is supposed to be for your face. So you can like kind of go in and contour. And so we have 5 different shades, and as always, gosh, the packaging's so nice. I love like sleek black packaging, and I love that Huda does that with her products. So let's see here. Let's look at a medium and we'll swatch it. Okay, so here's the product. It has Huda Beauty. It kind of looks like the top of her baking powder, except it's a much like thinner case. And it says tan and tone, and it does have this little thing right here. And the medium is actually pretty dark. So let's go ahead. Oh, it is so freaking creamy, you guys. Like, so good. This is actually pretty dark for a medium, but I guess it's like a contour. Ooh, yes. Reminded me how I need to get a tan. Really nice. I cannot wait to try the formula. It's supposed to dry down pretty fast, I think, and it does. I mean, I think it's like a cream to powder almost, because once you get it in, I mean, once you get it on, it doesn't, you know, it doesn't feel like super creamy after it like dries. So there's that. I will definitely do a demo with these, and we will see how they work on the face and everything, and maybe on the body. So thank you so much to Huda Beauty for that package. She is like killing the game with her products. I actually have a lot of products from her on my face today. I have her concealer, baking powder, eyeshadow, the liquid shadow, so a lot. Also, as y'all can see, my microblading, it's like in the first phase. So it's like where the scabs are kind of like peeling off. So if y'all see like a missing part of my eyebrow, that's what it is, because I can't put anything on my brows right now. I'm trying to think of what I want to do next. Okay, the next package that we have came from Makeup Forever. And let's see what they sent over. Ooh. Okay, so they sent this little cue card, and it has all the shades, and it has all the pictures of their shades of the new matte velvet skin. I actually forgot about grabbing this at the Sephora sale, because online when you look at the Makeup Forever shades, it doesn't show like, oh, this is medium to light skin with a yellow undertone, so I didn't know exactly what to get. And it says, can't wait for you to try our new matte velvet skin blurring powder foundation. You'll love this breathable, buildable, full coverage finish. And that's what I'm looking for. I did buy the, what was it? The Kat Von D one, and I think I got like not the right shade. So we shall see. Okay, so here's the little box they sent over. And it says new matte velvet skin. They also included one of the matte velvet skin foundations as well. So let's see the colors they sent over. This retails for $38. It says it's blurry, non-cakey, matte finish, controls oil without drying, water resistant, 24-hour wear. I'm going to first look at this one, which is probably like the medium shade they sent me. It's Y375, and it comes in this really nice little case. Kind of like the cases that you can build with their eyeshadow palettes. This is what that is. And then it does come with a little sponge that's nice. And then here is the color. So this is Y375. Let's just swatch it on the hand. Oh, this might actually be a little bit too light for me when I get a tan. I always say that, and people are probably like, girl, no, that actually would probably work for you right now. But I'm thinking about the future. Like when y'all watch this, hopefully I'm a couple days into having a nice tan because we will be in Mexico. So there's like the color on my hand right there, and then you can still see the Huda Beauty contour shade. So I'm excited to play around with these. I actually am probably going to pack one of these with me to go on vacation just so that way I can try it, because for me, summertime, it's all about less makeup. Normally I do more dewy skin, but you know, especially going on vacation, I have my brows done, my eyelashes, so I'm going to be like taking very minimal makeup. Also, thank you to the Makeup Forever team for sending that over. And I am wearing my watch today. I forgot. I'm doing some stuff with my mom, and I got the cutest, like, Lily Pulitzer inspired Apple Watch band, and it's so freaking cute. I, like, am obsessed. Next package came from Colourpop. I'm going to scoot back so that way I can open these because I have everything kind of, like, sitting out. Ooh. Y'all, I still have the one they sent me last year, like, in the case. It's literally some of my favorite lipsticks. Okay, so it says 12 brand new ultra matte lips just in time for the summer. Get all for $84 or $7 each. And it has this little cue card. And then here is the set. So freaking cute. Such good shades. Lots of neutrals. We have some like bright shades. So I'm very excited to try these out. Thank you so much to Colourpop for that package. And if you guys want to see some kind of like lip swatch, then let me know. The next thing came from Poke PR. I feel like I'm a little bit more quiet in this video because I'm up early and Snow had a DJ last night and our bedroom is like one room over. So I'm like almost whispering, but not. And my hair, I don't know what's been going on with it lately, but it's just kind of weird. Okay, so this actually came from Poke PR and Pharmacy, and it says Honey Grail. Meet your new Honey Grail for ultimate hydration and glow. It's a fast-absorbing, luxury, lightweight oil that instantly revitalizes the skin while helping smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Formulated and used with your skincare or makeup routine, there's no peeling or greasy after feel. Just radiant, healthy look and glow. So, $48. I do want to see what the packaging looks like. I have been really into oils lately. I've been using them every day, like with my foundation, and I feel like it's been making a world of difference. Why can I not get into this package? Okay, I'm just gonna have to rip it. Okay, ooh, here's what it looks like. So it comes in like a really nice glass container, and I have loved and enjoyed all the pharmacy products that I've tried. I just wonder, let's just try it. I wonder if it's like sticky or tacky, since it's like, no, it's not, but you can feel like it's kind of like a heavier oil, but I like that because look how hydrating it looks on the hand, and it just kind of like sticks to the skin instead of like falling off. It smells pretty good. And then they also sent over this natural buckwheat honey from California. I'm assuming this is like the kind of honey that you eat. So thank you so much to Poke PR and Pharmacy for that package. Okay, next package came from Colourpop. Again, I think this one was from a week or two ago, so it's a little bit older. So this is actually the Shayla and Colourpop collection, and it says Proceed with Caution Collection 2. And then here is like the back. So we will open this up. Ooh. Okay, so first I want to look at the eyeshadow palette. I don't even think I've looked at these online, so I cannot even remember what they look like. But here is the packaging, super cute. I loved the other Shayla and Colourpop palette that she came out with like last year. I got so much use out of that. And I've been loving these little mini palettes that Colourpop's coming out with. Ooh, so here is this. You have a couple different matte shades and then a few really good shimmers. And I'm not saying there's only a few really good shimmers. I was just saying there's a few mattes and a few shimmers, so it's like a mix. And then they have some powder blushes, which I've never owned any blushes from Colourpop in like this compact. So this looks really nice. This one is the color Construct. It's like a really great nude shade. And then the next one is called Whistle While You Work. I don't know why I'm having like the hardest time getting these open. Ooh, this one's a really beautiful pink shade. And then there's also 2 different lip bundles. So thank you so much to Colourpop for that package. I might actually keep this for you guys and maybe throw it in a giveaway. You'll probably know by now if it's in the giveaway. If not, I'll save it for another one. Next package came from Glam Glow. And here is what the box looks like. And let's see what they sent over. It says, hello, sexy. Hashtag, oh. Okay, so it looks like they sent over some masks. So it says, Glam Glow, party's over, dullness. Oh, okay, so these are eye boost mask. And then you have some glow mask. And then you have some glow face hydrating sheet mask. And these are like almost like a lace. They look really cool, so I'm excited to try these. I have been using a sheet mask a few times lately. I've been using some of them from Pixie that I've really been enjoying. I just think the sheet masks are so easy because you just like throw them on and like go do whatever, and then you can just peel them off. You don't have to like scrub your face and stuff like that. Okay, next package we have came from Ofra, and it says So Brit, So Lit. And they came out with 2 different highlighters. I'm really excited about these. Okay, so the first one is called Soho. I think this one's going to be my favorite because it looks like a, I don't know, more of like a peachy undertone shade. That is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh yeah, really pretty. Oh, it does not swatch well over oil, so just keep that in mind. And then no highlighter swatches well over oil. You have to let that kind of sink in, so I need to wash my hands off. And then the next one is called Covent Garden. This one looks like a more pinky shade. These are so gorgeous. I swear, Ofra, it's like so underrated because they make some of the best highlights. They're so freaking blinding. So thank you so much to Ofra Cosmetics for that package. Next we have a package from Essence. Look how freaking cute this little package is. It literally looks like a suitcase. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it says Essence Cosmetics around the world, and they have like these little postcards. And then it says, hey Danielle, find the jet setter in you with our new Essence travel palettes, inspired by some of the most stylish cities around the world. Each created palette features high pigmented shades, allowing you to create any look your heart desires. Where will you jet off to first? And literally they have it packed like this. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, and they have a postcard from New York. I'm saving these. These are so cute. Okay, and then they have a little, like a little suitcase thing that you put on your suitcase. So let's see here. Here is G-Day Sydney. Ooh, look at those colors. Okay, then we have Hello New York. These are more like cool tone shades. We have Hola Rio. Ooh, this is my kind of palette. Very warm and like some coppers and purples. And then lastly, we have Paris, which are, oh yeah, like the cool purple tones. Love that. Thank you so much to Essence for that package. Okay, and then very last package came from Allure, and this is their Allure Beauty Box. This box has been so great. So the first thing that I think is really neat that they put in here is a $60 gift card for HelloFresh. And we have a Ritzy Cosmetics, which I love, lip gloss. Ooh, yeah, very good nude, and it's called Vibe. And then here is the rest of the box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so first thing we have is from Lingy, I think is how you say this brand. This is their moisture cream. Then we have the St. Tropez Self Tan Bronzing Water Face Mist for natural glowing skin. We have a Amore Pacifica cream. We have a Eye Lights Metallic Shadow from Model Co. Let's see the color. Oh yeah, this is a really pretty shade. And then lastly in this box we have the Lou by Jen Sue, and this is a cleaning, exfoliating, and brightening powder. So thank you so much to Allure Beauty for that box. And you guys, this is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please a thumbs up. And as always, I love you so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.